Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. So today is a little late summer speed clean. I'm just getting all of the areas nice and tidy and ready to decorate for autumn, and I just can't wait. So I really hope that you find all the motivation in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just jump straight into it. Should I close my eyes? Okay, so I'm starting off in the kitchen. I feel like I always start in the kitchen just because it's the messiest room. It's the one that takes me the longest, and I feel like whenever I've got it done, I'm kind of halfway finished. So I'm just going to whiz around, put everything back where it belongs, empty and reload the dishwasher, and just get everything nice and clean. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah, you never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah, I always knew that this would happen. Yeah, you would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah, you never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah, you never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah. So once that was done, I headed through into the front room, and as you can see, it's not really too bad. It just needs a quick tidy and a dust and everything. And throughout today's video, you are going to see a few different outfit changes. That's because I had to film today's video over a few days. I wasn't able to get it all done in one day, so that's why my outfits keep randomly changing throughout the video. But once I've finished down here, we can then head upstairs and sort out the dressing room. This room is so close to being finished. I am so excited, but as you can see, it is a little bit of a dumping ground. Everything just goes everywhere, so I need to do a quick tidy, put everything back and just get it nice and fresh and clean and tidy and just looking its best. I've already got the shelves and everything that I want to go on the walls, so I'm just waiting for those to go up, and then there's a couple more bits that I need to get for this room before it's finished. But it's so close to being done, and I can't wait to do a whole dressing room tour when it's finished. But right now I just need to give it a tidy and get it looking its best. Next up is the bedroom, and I did actually change the bedding. I just did that off camera because it is such a nightmare changing the bedding with Max. It honestly takes me so long, and I thought it would just be easier instead of tripping over my tripod to just do that off camera. So the bed's all freshly made and ready to go, and now I just need to do some dusting and hoovering and finish off the rest of the room.
Things are going right. You seem to have the time, but when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect.
I'm going to go ahead and end today's video here. I really hope that you enjoyed this one. I can't wait for the next videos to come because it's going to be all autumn based, decorating, cleaning and all things cozy. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys back here in the next one.
Scared of the silence.